These are the times we are seeing a lot of EV cars on the road. And one such brand which is shaking up the electric vehicle industry is VinFast. You can see that the brand came out of nowhere, that is from Vietnam, and they have their very own manufacturing plant here in India, creating a lot of reliability here with the Indian customers. Let us know more about VinFast as a brand in this video. As a potential customer, you might want to know if this is just another automaker trying to test out the market, or are we looking at a major strategic play? It's definitely a massive move. VinFast is not entering quietly. VinFast is the largest division of Vietnam's largest conglomerate, holding 51.5% of the domestic market share. They are bringing serious corporate backing, heavy capital, and a very fast deployment strategy. You might ask, setting up an automotive production from scratch, that too in a very new setup, new country itself, it takes some time. So how fast did they construct their local setup? So now that's what is something very surprising to a lot of industry observers. So VinFast built an integrated state-of-the-art facility in just 15 months from the initial groundbreaking. This is not just a simple assembly line setup. The factory houses a specialized body shop, a very advanced paint shop, and also a specialized general assembly line setup, all under one roof. You might also ask, 15 months for a complete greenfield setup is like a plant setup is like too fast. So what kind of an output scale are VinFast planning? VinFast is starting with the initial production of 50,000 vehicles per year, but their facility is like engineered in such a way that they can rapidly scale up to 1.5 units annually. Because of all the localized production VinFast is doing, they are avoiding a lot of import tariffs, and also logistics are handled so much better. Now let's talk about total cost to ownership. Building cars is one thing, but getting drivers to adopt to EVs boils down to having a good infrastructure and also total cost to ownership. How is VinFast handling the range anxiety and total cost of ownership? This is where their strategy gets really aggressive. So VinFast is offering free fast charging to all the early adopters until March 31st, 2029. This means nearly 3 years of zero energy or fuel cost for early adopters of VinFast. Now I know what's running in your head. 3 years of free fuel. So you might be thinking, how does that actually work in terms of actual charging location? They are rolling out their proprietary Be Green infrastructure network, and they are partnering with HPCL, that is a local Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited fuel stations. By placing all the fast chargers at major established HPCL fuel stations along urban corridors, like very high traffic routes. So this will also delay a lot of real estate delays, and also they are plugging right into high traffic routes. Now that the financial hurdles and range anxiety is sorted out, let's talk a little bit about vehicles and safety standards. So you will definitely ask me, what about the actual vehicles that are hitting the road? What models are they featuring? VinFast is primarily focusing on mid-segment and premium crossovers like VF6 and VF7. So these models come equipped with advanced driver assistance system, that is ADAS, intelligent voice control, and also a very nice large digital cockpit display. Safety rating is like a major priority for all the car buyers. So VinFast has gotten a 5-star Bharat NCAP rating on its models, and having a third-party compliance on the new vehicles gives buyers a confidence on the emerging brand. VinFast also has a campaign called Seeds of Change program. So let's see how that fits into their marketing strategy. Seeds of Change is a unique strategy where it connects customer test drives into corporate social responsibility. Under this program, for every test drive that is booked, VinFast will fund tree planting and meal support for underserved children. So this means someone does not even need to buy a VinFast vehicle in order to trigger the social contribution. This turns simple dealership foot traffic into a social impact movement. This drives digital leads into physical test drives while highlighting environmental commitments. A 15-month plant build, a 5-star safety rating, and free charging until 2029, and a social impact tied to its test drives. That's quite a rollout playbook. So I've tried to break down the data for you guys. So what about you guys sitting at home? Would guaranteed 3 years of free charging make you change to an EV? So what do you think about all of this? Let me know in the comment section.